My name is Matt Mason. I've been an adjuster since 2022. Before that, I was in the construction industry. I've grown up in it. I own my own construction business as well. So other than getting continuing education credits, which is something we all need, you make connections with people that you may not ever see again, or people that you may be on 3 or 4 deployments with. But it also creates a network that you have that you can reach out to just as an adjuster for questions about things that you may not know or may not understand. But then it also gives you that new information, new things coming up, whether you're talking to the deputy commissioner in Alabama for insurance, and he's telling you about unique things, or you're talking about substrates, just small things that you may not know. The knowledge that you're gaining may help you with only 1 claim or may help you with 100 claims. And it's super important to try to grow every single time you come to anything like this as an adjuster. Well, so the thing that stuck out to me wasn't my favorite part, but I think it was the funniest. So we had a poker tournament. I was the first one eliminated, so I won a very nice plunger as my prize. But the thing that I enjoyed the most was actually reconnecting with managers that I've seen or other adjusters that I've worked with. It's good to come together and get to see those friendly and familiar faces and then learn in this industry and kind of progress myself with them.